Okay, tell me when I should do it.
You do it now. Close your eyes. No,
Did I get some good?
no. Oh my god, I open.
No fucking way, hold on.
Bro, I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous.
Hold on. No fuck.
Oh my god.
No
Oh.
fucking way, dude. Oh my
There's
god.
no way. What is your luck right now?
Dude.
Holy shit.
Well, paint exotic for paint exotic. Not bad. Not bad.
Oh my god.
Hey. The comic.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
Oh, I thought that was painted at first. I shit my
I would
pants.
shit my pants. What
Fuck.
do you mean? Oh, I thought I was painted about to shit my pants. Holy hell.
Oh, dude, because they're, you know what they're gonna be? They're gonna be, can you give me a second to think? They're gonna be, Guardian.
Guardian? You wanna bet?
Yeah.
Paragon.
Fuck.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Wait, there's another one.
I know
Yeah,
there's
another
another one.
You had 3 nippers. Wait, what can you get?
I hate my life. Oh,
What?
I need one more Zephyr import I can trade up.
Oh, shit.
But it would be untradeable forever, but still.
He should be in cockpit. Fire that. Stretch. Alright, I didn't do it.
Hold on. Should I close my eyes or what?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I was about to say.
Do it. And then equip whatever you get.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, look at my car. Look at my car.
No fucking way.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Is it cert or is it just that?
It's just plain. Oh my god. Oh, this looks so clean. Oh, oh.
Oh my god. Burnt sienna, tactician burnt sienna, whatever the fuck these are, reactors, fucking hell, black dynamos, purple zombas. I got saffron tachyon that I gave you.
Yes.
If I get some good out of the Secret Santa, we're playing Fortnite. That's what's happening. I'm doing the no jump challenge.
No one you were fucking.
I can't see the score. The broadcast thing is on the top middle. We'll get right back to it though.
Yeah.
This was you. No. You made me do this. You made me.
What? You look like such a fucking shit stain. Oh my god. Right when I say you look like such a fucking shit stain.
You're like, if you go.
Great pass.
Thank you. You're right.
What the fuck? You sound like a 20-year-old working at a Starbucks like, thank you.
Thank you.
I mean, what a banana too. What the fuck? Are you like turning into a motorcycle?
No, my Xbox.
It worked way too good. You fucking...
I'm so good at this game.
They were down 4-8.
I thought it was... I knew it was 4, but I thought they were still at 5. We're coming... dude, 6-5. Let's get it, boys.
All you said was, dude, we're coming.
I was gonna say we're coming back. He's so good. Night.
I'm hanging off the roof.
Alright, I got you. I'm hitting him up with the redirect.
Oh my god. Yes! Get her.
Dude, I do better when I don't fucking jump.
Oh my god.
This is fucking drive. How much time's on the ground?
15 seconds in the left.
Hell yeah.
Oh
wait, we did
left.
I thought we won. I'm not there, Kaden. I have no boost. Just know.
Yes!
When you do that, when you jump in the air, fuck! Just trying to get boost.
Oh, reloads. Center. We just fucking won, suck my dick.
Oh my god, dude.
Center, wide open, wide open.
I got a foam hat. What's so funny?
What does JFC stand for?
Jesus fucking Christ. I don't have any boost. This is you. It's all you. Holy shit, come shot. Fuck. Nige. That was so good.
I'm actually fucking insane.
That was the most insane goal. If white people's come is white, it would black people's come be black.
Chocolate milk?
Oh god. Oh god. Oh yeah, my udders just got some ball. Oh no! Oh no!
You almost saved. Look at your fucking udder get rigged.
Hold on, I was typing something in the quote book. Shit.
Typing with that pencil.
Ella. Oh. Your audio is included, right?
Yeah. You can't put the chocolate milk part in it.
Why?
It's kind of like offensive.
Just listen to what you said without context. You just stole my fucking boost. Please. God damn it.
So you jump out of frustration.
Jump out of
You bitch.
What the fuck? You just deep throw the cows on?